took from me. I know that I am so much better. I'm better off when I...
Hey everyone, it's been a minute. I am here to update you on something which is kind of bittersweet. So I have decided to leave Teachable. I absolutely love teaching my students and creating courses. The joy is inexplicable. However, I have to think of it from a point of view of business, and I had to reevaluate a lot of things in the last couple of years to see what kind of financially goes in line with my business mind. And Teachable is not a platform that I want to use anymore, because I feel like I am supporting them more than they support me in the sense of income. I haven't been proactive in terms of advertising them, speaking about them on my social media. So unless you do that, there won't be kind of any work done by Teachable to promote your courses, so to speak. Like, for example, on Etsy, if you don't drive your own traffic over there, you can get some traffic from like the net. And at least that's one of the benefits or plus points on Etsy. The reason I'm mentioning Etsy is also I have decided to leave Etsy entirely. I have obviously moved to my website and had some products left on Etsy. I came back to Etsy just to sell for Canada, but I will go maybe into that in a separate video. I just want to focus on Teachable. So keeping in mind that whether you sell any courses or you don't, I have to pay, I think it was about $600 a year for what I think is a very limiting way of selling my courses. There are only, let me see, you can only have 5 courses available for that, what I think is an incredibly high price, $600. Also, it's a one-off payment, which means every summer I'm hit by this payment, whether I have made enough money or not. And that's also the summertime when it's holidays. I don't generally make that many sales because, again, I kind of prepare for the summer holidays as my son will be with me during the summer, and just kind of have to park work a little bit. So then the fact that I have to pay out in one go, it just is really not great business situation. I would pay even more if I had monthly installments, and that is why I ended up going for one-off payment, kind of thinking that at least I pay less, but of course it's super inconvenient. So everything about this platform, unless you are kind of focusing on selling courses and that will be your main kind of income, then of course you can put a plan together how you want to do this. You can subscribe to an even more expensive plan where you have more opportunity to sell more courses, or you can do them in rotation. For example, I don't know, 6 months you take some courses down, bring some new courses in. You can sort of work around it, but for me personally it doesn't work. I started Patreon about 5 months, I think now, ago, and it's been such a blissful kind of closed community where this is where my focus is. And for now, for time being, I won't be creating any courses. So for me to just pay out this huge sum of money to Teachable and them kind of not helping to sell any courses or anything in return, you just have those courses sit there, and if I'm not proactive, then nothing will be happening. So for that reason, I want to shut my school, and I'm going to be doing a flash sale. Now, I do love teaching and I do want to create courses. However, it will be on a platform that will be more convenient to use and basically doesn't milk you as a creator. So I'm not sure this platform exists yet. I have heard some rumors last year that YouTube was planning to implement some sort of a new kind of section where you can sell courses, which potentially that sounds good. It all depends what the cost will be for the creator, etc. But I think if I could create courses all on one platform and have kind of more closed environment, then I would love to do that. Just right now it's not happening. Also, these courses that are available on Teachable, they are uniquely kind of available on Teachable, and I can't take them out and give you an opportunity to take those courses in future somewhere else, because unfortunately I lost some footage as I was saving it. Somehow it just all got a little bit messed up. So I'm doing a flash sale for about a week. It's going to finish on 1st of April. It's starting from the time where you're going to view this video, or today is, let's see, what is today? It's Wednesday the 26th of March. So this is when I'm starting it, and it's going to finish on 1st of April by midnight. So here is what's going to happen. As I'm doing the flash sale, I want to give opportunity to as many of you as possible. I am discounting all of my courses 75% from the original price. The courses range from all the way from $90 down to, I think the cheapest one was $35. You can do the math and see how much savings there is. So you could, if you wanted, just buy a few of those courses. So to use this great opportunity, type in final sale, all capital letters, one word, when you're purchasing the course. I'm so excited to give you this opportunity. If some of you wanted to take courses of mine and maybe couldn't afford it, or for whatever reason, there you go, that's your chance. And like I said, once these courses go, they go. Another important thing to know is that once you have purchased these courses, you will have unlimited time to use them for. They're not going anywhere. Once I shut down the school, you will still have those courses or the access to those courses. However, I won't be able to sell them anymore. So that's what's going to happen. Everyone also who purchased my courses in the past, you will still have those courses available. I used to have another course, which was the 6th course, and it was called the Expressive Faces. I had to take it down when I filmed my latest course, Colorful Landscapes, in order to be able to publish it, because I filmed all of it, and once I went to upload it, I realized, there's only space for 5 courses. So I had to either upgrade to a super even more expensive plan to be able to have more than 5 courses, or I had to take a course down and kind of make space for this one, which is the decision I made. But I really love the Expressive Faces course, which I had to do. So all of that just is not an enjoyable place for me as a creator, given the fact the amount that I have to pay. So you have to wait everything out and kind of make the executive decision what is best for your business. So that's what's happening. That's all that you need to know. All 5 courses, including playful watercolor with mixed media, contemporary color palette, watercolor and doodles, cozy watercolor mushrooms, and colorful landscapes. All those 5 courses are on a flash sale, and you get 75% off the original price. Use the code final sale, and I hope to see you there. Enjoy the courses while they're still available, and the sale, the flash sale, is finishing on the 1st of April at midnight 2025, when I will be shutting down my Teachable school. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.